If your main goal is to charge your car for the lowest cost possible, then you need to know about this brand. This is the Ohme ePod, and honestly, when it comes to saving you money on your electricity, nothing else really touches it. Let me show you why and who it's actually for. So, Ohme. They're a brand that lives and breathes one thing: smart charging tied to your energy tariff. In plain English, they're brilliant at making sure your car only charges when electricity is at its absolute cheapest. That's their whole identity. Other brands do it, Ohme just do it better than anyone. The range is nice and simple. There's really two to know about. The ePod, which is this one, is the smallest, lightest, smart charger you can buy in the UK, properly discreet on the wall. It's untethered, so you plug in your own cable and it stays tidy. And then there's the Home Pro, which has the cable built in and a little glowing status ring so you can see what it's doing at a glance. Same clever brains in both, the choice is really just tidy and compact or grab the cable and go. Right, so why do people choose Ohme? Number one, and it's the big one, the app links straight into smart tariffs like intelligent Octopus Go. What that means for you is the charger talks to your energy company, works out the cheapest hours of the night and charges then, automatically. You don't lift a finger and it can save you hundreds of pounds a year. Number two, this one's underrated. It's got mobile signal built in, like a phone, so it doesn't rely on your home Wi-Fi reaching it. If your charger's going on a wall, miles from your router, that's a genuinely big deal. It just works. And number three, the newer ePods can charge off your spare solar as well, so you're covered there too. Okay, the honest bit, because nothing's perfect. First, on the untethered ePod, there's no lock on the socket. For most driveways, that's a non-issue, but if your charger's right out front on a public-facing wall, it's worth a fall.
There's no lock on the socket.
Okay, so just an FYI, the locking function happens from the app, so that's not an issue even if it's on a public-facing wall.
Second, the weather ceiling is a touch lower than some of the chunkier units out there. Still perfectly fine for a normal install, just worth knowing. And third, if you're a really heavy solar household and squeezing every last drop of sunshine is your top priority, there are chargers that do the job a bit more cleverly. If that's you, have a watch of our My Energy Zappy video. That's the solar specialist. I'll link it here. So let me break it down. The Ohme ePod is the one to go for if cheap charging is your priority. If you're on a smart tariff like Octopus, this thing can pay for itself just on the savings. It's perfect if you want something small and discreet, and brilliant if your Wi-Fi is rubbish where the charger's going. On price, the ePod tends to start around the $950 mark installed. But as always, that depends on your house, your cable run, and your fuse board. So treat it as a ballpark, not a final figure. If the Ohme sounds like your kind of charger, that's exactly what we fit. We're plug-in stations. We'll tell you honestly if it's the right fit, sort the whole install, and check if a government grant can knock money off. And there's more grant money out there than you'd think. So watch our grants video, it's linked below. Then just message us or hit the link in the description for a proper quote. And if this helped, give it a like and subscribe. We do these for every brand we fit so you can compare. Thanks for watching.